If you've been using Grok and you're wondering where your saved or previously created tasks are, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access your tasks in Grok, because they don't always show up directly inside the main interface. This is a quick but very useful tip if you want to find your task history, check existing tasks, or manage them more easily. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump in. As you can see in the main Grok interface, there isn't a visible section right here for viewing your previously created tasks. That can be a little confusing at first, especially if you expected to find them in the sidebar or on the home page. But don't worry, there is a direct way to get to them. What you want to do is go to your browser and type in grok.com/tasks. Once you enter that link and load the page, Grok will take you directly to your tasks area. This is where you can see the tasks you've already created and manage them from one place. So again, instead of searching around the interface, the fastest method is simply to go straight to grok.com/tasks. If you're signed in with the correct account, your task list should appear right away. From there, you can review what you've set up, continue working on any task, or organize things more efficiently. This is especially helpful if you use Grok often and want a cleaner way to track your work. If you were looking for an easy way to find your tasks, that's all you need to do. Just go to the Tasks page directly, and you'll be able to access everything in one spot. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Grok guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.